If you deal with under eye puffiness, dark circles, dryness under the eyes, and wrinkles and crinkles, this is like my little secret weapon that I use every single day. These are by Tula. I've shared these before. I love these so much. That's why I have every single color. This is their Glow and Get It Eye Balm, and it comes in a little stick. They're basically an eye cream, an eye moisturizer, hydrator, barrier repair, a cooling, a depuffing, little product all in one. I will use this underneath my makeup when I'm doing my skincare, but I'll even put it over top of my makeup. It's a cooling balm, but then what's inside is basically your eye cream. It hydrates, it makes the eyes feel firmer, it makes them feel tight and lifted, but without feeling dry. And then it's got this little sheen. I don't know if you can tell because I have a window open here and it's blinging in the bathroom. Let me see if I can zoom in. But it's got like this sheen that almost looks like a highlighter. Now this was the pink one, their Rose and Glow, get it? This is the same thing, it just is a different packaging. Now their Rose one has like a light frosted pink sheen to it, but I had been trying to get the blue one forever, but this I guess was viral all over TikTok, and I finally got the blue one, and I do really like it, but I still like the pink one. And then I'm going to show you the gold one. I'm going to put some swatches on my hand and go over to the sunlight, and then I'll pop those swatches up just so you can kind of see what they look like. The blue one's really pretty also. It's kind of like that icy winter blue look, but it just keeps this area super duper hydrated and moisturized. And I like that I can skip my highlighter the days that I like to put this on, and I can just use this as a highlighter. I'll put it on my nose, I'll put it above my lip, I'll even put it over my lipstick to kind of give it that 1990s frosted look. Someone had said the pink and the blue, they didn't love them so much because they had a lot darker skin than me. Well, they came out with this gold one, and this one is perfect for darker skin because this just has a really sheer gold sheen to it. It doesn't have kind of that frostiness to it, but it definitely has really pretty gold shimmer. Not glitter, anything like that, just a beautiful sheen to it. And as you can see, I just keep layering it over and over and over my makeup. That's how great this product is. It just feels amazing under the eyes. I just want to read to you a few of the results of the people that tried this. After one use, 96% of the people agreed that their skin felt hydrated, 93% agreed that their skin looked smoother, and 90% of the people noticed that their skin was brighter. And that is after just one use. But after just 1 week of using this, 93% of the people that tried this said that their eyes did look less puffy. For me, I feel like it's an instant gratification when my under eyes are puffy, more so because of that cooling. It makes me think that the puffiness isn't there, but the puffiness does go away fairly quickly with this. And that's why I love this so much. But it's not just the product, the ingredients that are in here, just massaging it on, because this is kind of like a firm balm. When you massage it on, it's almost like doing that little gua sha massage, or, you know, a lymph massage around the eyes. And that's going to help, you know, drain the fluid as well. I mean, you could just use your fingers, but I like to do it with this balm and just kind of do a nice little massage. It looks pretty if you leave it on your vanity or just throw it in your purse. And if midday you're just feeling kind of dried out and dehydrated or just tired, this is like that little pick-me-up. It's kind of like a drink of coffee for the under eye area, because it also has that caffeine in it, which is really good to help with puffiness. So these are like my little secret weapon to deal with that aging skin on the under eye area. And these have quickly become an all-time favorite that I use every single day. And these will really help you feel a little more confident because it gives you kind of that blurring appearance to that under eye area. As always, this video is not sponsored. I paid for all of these with my own money. If you're interested in checking these out, I will leave the link down below, and I do believe that they're on sale right now, so I'll leave that discount code down below as well. Now, if you wanted to see another video of what I do for my skincare for my entire face, I'm gonna pop another video up here if you wanted to click on it and check it out. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.